Monomaker Bandit. February 7th. Early Bird Special. Quarter unit play. What Bandit say? This is all you Team Bandit members missing the money train. Bandit told you, get on the money train. Only $25 USD a week. What's that? $3.57 a day. What's that? That's a coffee at Starbucks. $3.57 a day. That's $25 a week. Not like these pro cappers, $30 a day USD. This is $25 a week. The whole week for $25. Let's recap. First day on Bandit's $25 weekly package deal. Let's do a recap. First play of the day was Montana versus Portland State. Bandit was on Montana minus 2.5 points. Bandit's play was money line. Montana minus 130 on the money line. Montana 56, 61 Portland. Minor Setbackville. See this train here? Pulling into Minor Setbackville. Pick number 2 on Bandit's weekly package deal. Jacksonville State versus SC Missouri State. Bandit was on Jacksonville State on the money line. 66-54 Jacksonville State. Winner. Next stop, Moneyville. See, you already missed 1 and 1. You're missing the money train. We just pulled into Moneyville. All those on Bandit's weekly package deal. Pulling into Moneyville. 1 and 1. Pick number 3 for today. Seattle versus Dixie State. Bandit was on Seattle minus 135. Good odds. Minus 135. First half money line. Winner 36-25 Seattle. First half winner. Next up, Moneyville. Choo choo, choo choo. The party's on. We're 2 and 1 now. On the Bandit weekly package deal money train. 2 and 1. Oh, and then who does this? Eddie Pro Capper is going to give you a $25 weekly package deal with all sports. Bandit has a UFC play. UFC. Bandit's throwing in UFC for $25 a week. $3.57 a day. Throwing in a UFC play. Let's see how this UFC play went. Look at this guy still trying to chase Bandit's money train for $25 a week. Can't catch it. Or you could play $10. Bandit has a $10 daily special. $10 USD. You can get it. Bandit will let you know when he has a 2-unit play going. And you could jump on the money train for $10. All right? How about that? But Ben's still going to have all his quarter unit plays. Oh, what about today? February 6th, early bird special. One for you. So there you go. Build up your bankroll. Bandit's free quarter unit plays. All right? Oh, so fourth play of the day for Bandit's package deal. UFC Overeem versus Alexander Volkov. Bandit head, take a guess. It's a money train. Bandit head Alexander Volkov, minus 200. Guess what? TKO, second round. Alexander Volkov. Money train, 3 stops. Moneyville, choo choo, choo choo. Actually, it worked out the best because the first stop was Minor Setbackville. And then Minor Setbackville on Montana. See this train here? Pulled into Minor Setbackville. And then Jacksonville State pulled the train into Moneyville. We were all choo-chooing, having a party, having some beers. The party was on. Music was loud. And then the third, we waited for Seattle. It was a late night game. Seattle versus Dixie State. 36-25, 11-point winner. Moneyville, choo-choo, choo-choo. Then we're having a party on the money train. We're saying, oh, UFC, how about a UFC? UFC play. Alexander Volkov, second round, TKO. Come on, how much fun are we having for $25 USD? These pro cappers, that's $100 USD a month. These pro cappers, go across the street to Mock Sports and Phony George. It costs you $100 USD for the weekend. For the weekend. That's 3 days. Bandit's got $100 USD. This is the first day. How much fun are we having? All those on the money train. Come on, we're having a lot of fun. This is day one. Okay? But these pro cappers, what is it? It's $100 for a weekend package deal. That's 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And you're on the package deal too. 10% is going to charity still. 10% of all this money donated today on Bandit weekly package deal. 10% is going to support the SPCA. All the money donated from the December 23rd to February 26th is going to be donated to charity. Oh yeah, this is the month of greatness too. How great is this? The month of greatness. And the day of greatness, Bandit's birthday, you all know, February 26th, the day of greatness. So Bandit's celebrating every day, the month of greatness. What a great day. The first day of Bandit's weekly package deal. So build up your bankroll, save some money, and get on a weekly package deal. It's only $25 USD. That's $3.57 a day. You all out there go to Starbucks, pay more than $3.57 for a coffee, I know. Okay? Or get it, wait till Bandit tells you. He'll tell you when there's a 2-unit play coming out, and you can get the $10 USD for the 1 day package deal, okay? If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, click the bell icon. That's it. All right. Early bird special. Popular. Let's see what we got. We got Iowa versus Indiana. Early bird special. Bandit's playing Iowa. Money line, full game, Iowa. On the money line, full game for Bandit's early bird special. This kills me. This is a Bandit team member trying to chase the money train for the get on the money train, but he can't get on. Get on the weekly special. It's $25, $3.57 a day. That's a coffee. All right. Anyways, that's Bandit's recap show. Day one package deal. Weekly Bandit package deal. Day one. We're having fun. It's a lot of fun, I'm telling you. And you know who's on the Bandit weekly package deal money train. You know who's on there because it's all the people that have been donating regular. You heard their names every day. I won't say their names, but you know their names. All the names you've been hearing for the past month. They're on there. All right. Anyways, Bandit will be putting out his quarter unit plays, his early bird special, late night special. So build up your bankroll and then get a weekly package deal. Moneymaker out.